you see anything move or outgoing, just shout. Unfortunately, if it all goes wrong, it'll break.
Yeah, well.
Are you okay me videoing this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm not
Just
sure.
do that with the shit out of way. Have you got copyright? When I wheel it, Bob,
Yeah.
try and steady it.
Yeah.
I feel a lot more relieved when we've got an edge on.
Yeah.
When we, have you got an eye on that for when we're
I
clear?
think you're about right, I think.
Coming to you.
Yeah.
Feel happier now?
Yeah. Ooh.
Bob, step back.
Touch your foot, Bob. Now, where are we now? Do them bolts go from below or from above?
Oh. Just.
At least we're safe-ish. Watch your hands under there, Bob. Right, how far off are we?
Not very at all.
Where does it go? There.
Out there.
Right. If you have a piker,
Yeah, underneath here.
underneath and shove it through and catch the hole, it'll go down on the hole. Unless you do the light end first, Bob.
No, I think the heavy end first, the way we go, isn't it?
So, do we need to go that way or not?
About an inch and a half. Actually, that end steers, doesn't it? If you go that way, yeah, good call on going up that end. Do you know what? I reckon if you let that down.
Right, no, what we're going to do, we're going to make it easier for you. We want a poker in that hole, don't you? Unless we do it another way afterwards. You can't mount on all four of them holes. There's no way near. Bob, have you got this the right way around? No, I disagree with you.
Well,
Have you got this thing the right way around, the lathe?
yes.
Are you 100% sure?
Copy on the block. Just don't know where the hole is.
Just hang on. Can you just come up and have a look at this, Bob, before you go any further? How can that be right? Ooh.
Oh, it's coming this way. Is that about right there? Tell you what, I think if we...
I'll tell you where your holes are. Tell you what we're going to do. The lathe wants to go in.
Yes.
Right.
Do you want to...
Get down there and bar that leg in.
Which one? The...
That back leg.
Not sure which one you mean.
That one there, that red blue one.
Oh, sorry, on the lift. Right. Probably not, are you?
See you. And again. And again. What on this leg now? And can you hurt at the same time? And while you're down there, Bob. While you're down there, Bob.
I would call it, but I can't find it.
Right.
Do you know? That's a lot closer, isn't it?
Well, can you see where the holes are from underneath?
No. Oh. I don't see any holes on that one, just a... It wants to go that way.
Can you see the holes, or do you want me to?
I can, yeah. So if I push that through...
That's better. Look at the paint marks. Right. I'm not far out at this end.
No, not far this end either.
Just hang on, down gently. Right. Right, I think what's to come to me 1/2 inch, Bob. The whole thing.
So wants to go that way.
Whoa, stop. You're not far out at that. Look at the paint marks. Look. There you go.
Just wants to come this way a teeny bit.
There you go, look. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Am I going to you?
To me.
Or am I?
Come on. A little bit more. Yeah, just to me a bit.
Have you got it?
Not quite. That looks to be about right. Let me see if I can get a ball in. Oh, just one. Not quite.
Put your poker in and just go round and round
Yeah.
from below.
Yes. Right.
You haven't got a tapered punch.
I haven't. That would be handy though, wouldn't it?
Can't buy your motorbikes aren't well maintained, isn't it?
That's close. I think we're in there.
Well, we might have to